All right, so today the plan is to pour concrete for our little well house slab, little shed. And let's see what we got going on. Got a shovel, got some tools, got our water here, cement mixer, pallet of cement. It says it's going to take 24 60-pound bags, so we'll see. Pressure washer to clean up when we're done, and then generator and some fuel. So let's see how it goes. All right, so the concrete's all finished up. We pulled the forms off and the sleeves are on the pipes and whatnot. Looks pretty good. So I guess next thing left to do is start building the pump house, getting it all hooked up. So stay tuned.